On the 4th day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
4 triple scale Herculometers.
Ta-da!
Okay, it's the 4th day of STEADFest. I know, we're doing it backwards, and that's okay. STEADFest is our own made-up holiday. It's happening on December 20th this year. You have 5 days from the time of this video to enter to win one of these Herculometers. The only caveat, you must live in the continental United States. Check the link in the description below in order to enter.
And we would like to give a special thank you to Northern Brewer, as these were given to us by them in regards to our test where we tested
smashed them.
The Herculometer versus a normal hydrometer.
And we just have a lot of them, so we're giving these away.
They're indestructible, so we didn't have to use very many of them.
Yeah, you can pretty much throw this across the room and it's still gonna work.
Wouldn't recommend that, but yes you can.
So, to all of our friends out there in City Steading land, happy STEADFest. And if you don't live in the continental United States, I'm really sorry, but please celebrate anyway.